Hi guys, my name's Liam. Welcome to the channel. I'm one half of the Wandering Wheelie, and today I want to talk about sat-navs and in particular the Garmin Satnav. So let's go. The first thing we're going to need to do is get the Garmin Drive app. Now I'm going to go to the Google Play Store as I'm an Android user, and we're going to simply search for Garmin Drive, and there it is at the top of the list. Obviously I've already got it installed, so I'm simply going to open the app, and what you'll need to do is connect your particular sat-nav to the app, and I believe any that have Wi-Fi capabilities should be compatible with the app. I have the Camper 890, as you can see on the screen there. Now, to use this with our satellite navigation system, we can do it in many different ways. So let's go through them. So first of all, we're going to go to Google Maps, and I'm just going to search for a Caravan and Motorhome club site, and this one's Grattan Water, and there we go, it's found it. Just zoom in a little bit, and again we can have a look through the photos of the site, and to get that over to our satellite navigation unit, all we need to do is simply hit this share place button, scroll along the bottom to find our Garmin Drive app, and there it is. Click on the app. That will send the information over to our app, and to get that over to the navigation unit itself, all we're going to do is simply hit go. It's now calculating the route for us.
Please drive to highlighted route.
And it's as simple as that. Now if we want to search for an overnight stop, for example, and use Park4nights, we do our normal thing by searching on Google, having a look for potential park ups, and we're going to use this one for an example. So I'm going to click and hold to drop a pin there. Scroll up the page, and again we see the coordinates. I'm just going to click and hold to copy those coordinates to the clipboard. I'm going to come out of Google Maps, go into our Park4nights, and I'm going to search for around a place. And in the search bar, I'm going to click and hold and paste those coordinates into Park4nights, and there you go, it's found it. So click on the top one. It's brought up potential parking spots within that area, so again I'm just going to select any. There we go. We can go into there, have a look if there's any photos. There's only one on this particular one. Oh, there's a couple. And again, it gives us the coordinates. Now we've simply copied those coordinates by clicking and highlighting them, hitting copy, going over to our Garmin Drive app, and where it says where to, we're going to search for those coordinates. There we go, it's found it on the A52. We're going to select that and simply hit go, and that will send it over to our satellite navigation unit, which is now calculating.
Please drive to highlighted route.
And it's as simple as that, finding park ups on Park4nights and sending them to your Garmin satellite navigation unit. We can also use this on What3words, so if we want to share a location and give somebody the exact position, we can do that as well. So again, from our Park4nights, we can copy the coordinates, or from our Google Maps we can copy the coordinates, click and hold. Going over to our What3words, in the search bar just paste in those coordinates. It'll give us our What3words, which we can share with other people so they can locate us nice and easy. Select that What3words, and it's found it, as you can see on the screen. Nice big car park, plenty of space. And from there, to get that over to our satellite navigation unit, I'll clear that last route. All we need to do is hit navigate and send it to our Garmin Drive app. And once again, all we do is hit go. And as you can see, it's now calculating.
Please drive to highlighted route.
And it's as simple as that. We can also use the Caravan and Motorhome Club app to search for sites. So again, I'm just going to search within a 25-mile radius of my location. There you go, brought quite a few up. We can go to the list view, and again, for the example, I'm going to use Gratham Water. So if we select Gratham Water, it's obviously telling us that they're going to reopen on the 12th of April. And if we scroll down to where it says map and detailed directions, we can click on that. And again, if we click on the view or map at the bottom, that will send it to Google. And as before, from Google, we can hit share location, find the Garmin Drive app, and send it to the app. Well, I hope you found that interesting, and you may have learnt something new. If you did, please consider to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thank you.